Hello, my name is Fatih Hançer. Welcome to Turkey and Atatürk Technical and Industrial Vocational High School. Now I am going to give you some information about our car park system. Our project team members are Sefa Gölbaşı and Doğan Çakıcı. Advisor teacher is Mehmet Karaslan. The empty places are detected by a sensor and the drivers can easily see the empty places on the full empty signboard. They can directly drive to the empty park place easily. They won't lose any time looking for an empty park place. Advantages of our project saves both the time and fuel. It shortens the time spent for searching for a parking place. The car drivers can easily park their cars in a very short time. By the way, not only the drivers save time, but also the park runners. If there aren't any cars at any parts of the car park, the lights at that park are automatically turned off to save energy. You see the sensors at the park place in this picture. Here, if there are cars, the lights are red, but there aren't any cars, the lights are green. On signboard, empty places are green and full places are red. There are 8 park places on the maquette plan. Some information about the sensor. We used HTS infrared sensor. It has 1 meter range. Range adjustment is done by using the blue input at the back. It works with 10 milliamperes at 5 volts. And it has 10 millisecond reaction time. It has a high level dust and humid protection. Size is 31, 25 and 18 millimeter. Weight is 18 grams. Cable length is 28 centimeters. Here, usage of the sensor. The sensor has a digital output. When the object to be detected goes into the range, the sensor output increases from 0 to 5 volts. The output signals can be connected to the microcontroller circuits directly. More details about sensor and empty indicator. Our ultrasonic sensor has detection range between 200 and 3,500 millimeters. It is adjustable RS 485 model. It works with DC 24 volts. Our indicator has high brightness LED display. It works with DC 24 volts. You see some pictures from the preparation stage and other pictures. First, we open the holes for the infrared sensors. There are 8 holes for the sensors. Later, we put the infrared sensors into the holes. And then we adjusted the current as DC 5 volts for the ends of the feeding lines of the sensor. We connected the outlet end to the relay. As you see, there are 8 park places on the board. And then we cut out the sensor holes. And then we attached the signboard. Here the green LEDs were connected to the closed contact. The red LEDs were connected to the open Let's see how the system works. If there aren't any cars in the park, our sensor doesn't send any sign out. The relay doesn't work and the green LEDs are turned on, showing the places are empty. And when park places are full, our sensor sends a sign out and our relay works. The opened contact is closed, letting the red LED be on, which means the place is full. Finally, we check the system, it works perfectly. Thank you for listening to me.